Om Guru Ram Namaste. Good morning all of you. My dear first class students, today discuss about fun with division. Okay? From your workbook, volume 3, page number 28. So everybody open page number 28. See here. Listen carefully, beta. Place the appropriate sign means a symbol, divided, this is divided symbol or equal symbol. This is right, this is divided symbol, this is equal symbol. See, 12 dash 2 dash 6. See here, 12 is divided by, then you can write divided by symbol, divided symbol. Write down everybody. 12 divided by 2, then you can write equal symbol. So 2 table read 2 6 are 12. Write down everybody. Now next one, 14, see here, 16 given circle, 4 dash 4, see here, 16 divided by 4 equals to 4, then you can read 4 4 the 16. Next, 14 dash 7 dash 2. See here, which symbol you can write? Divided symbol. Then after 7 after you can write equal symbol. So you can read 7 table, 7 2 the 14. Next, 30 dash 5 6. 30 is divided by 5. Then you can write 30 after divided symbol. See here, you can read 5 table, 5 6 are 30. Then you can write 5 after equal symbol. Right. Next, 21 dash 3 empty circle 7. See, 21 after you can write divide symbol. 21 divided by 3 equals to 7. 3 7s are 21. 36 dash 4 9. See here, 36 is divided by 4. Then you can write divided by symbol. We will get 9. For after you can write equal symbol. Next, very important bit. Listen carefully, everybody. Okay? Oi. See here. Look at the blackboard, everybody. What I am saying, first listen carefully. Then you can do it. Divide. Look at the blackboard. Using the multiplication. Look at the blackboards. Multiplication table of 2. So you can use multiplication table of 2. So first one, 2 divided by 2. See here. So 2 is the dividend. Divided after this is the divisor. Then 2 is divided by 2. Then you can read 2 table. So where it is divisible? See here. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are 10. 2 six are 12. 2 sevens are 14. 2 eights are 16. 2 nines are 18. 2 tens are 20. See here where it is divisible. So 2 ones are 2. Look at the blackboard. 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are 2. Then you can write one where here. Write down everybody. Yeah. Next here 12 divided by 2. See here. Look at the blackboard. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are 10. 2 six are 12. So then you can write here which number? ఇక్కడ ఏ నంబర్ రాయాలి? 12. See here. 2 6 are 12. Then you can write 6. You can write 6. Very good. Next one, 4 divided by 2. See, look at the blackboard. Oi. See, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. You can get. Then you can write here which number? 2 twos are 4. Then you can write? Yeah, it 2, because 2 is goes to 2 times. You can get 4 now. So 2 twos are 4. Then you can write 2. Next 14 divided by 2. Then you can read 2 table. Oi. 2 table read. 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 six are 12, 2 sevens are 14. then you can write 7. Did you understand everybody? Oh, అర్థమైందా? Next, 6 divided by 2. Then again read 2 table. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6 you can get. Then you can write 3, 2 3s are 6. 3 write down. Next, 16 divided by 2. Where it is divisible beta? 2 8s are 16. Then you can write here 8. 2 8s are 16. Now next, eight divided by 2. 2 4s are 8. Then you can write 4. Next 18. Where it is possible beta? 2 is goes to 9 times. Students, see here. 2 9s are 18. Then you can write 9. 2 9s are 18. 10 divided by 2. So here 2 goes 5 times. 2 5s are 10. So then you can write 5 out. Next bit, listen carefully beta. Match the numbers to their halves. Halves means half sagam. అర్థమైందా? ఇది చూడు. 4 లో సగం ఎంతరా? 2. 6 లో సగం ఎంతరా? 3. 12 of 6. 6 of 3. 4 of 2. Then half means the given number is divided by 2. Did you understand? See, look at the blackboard everybody. Listen carefully. Oi. Match the numbers to their halves. See here, 8, 12, 16, 10. Here 5, 9, 6, 4, 8, 2. Here 4, 8, 18 means 12, 8. See here, halves means the given number is divided by 2. Did you understand? See here, then you can write here 12 table, 2 table. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. 2 5s are 10. 2 6s are 12. 2 7 14, 2 8 16, 2 9 18, 2 10 20. See here, 12. 12 means 12 is divided by 2. What is the meaning? 12 is divided by 2. Where it is possible, you can read 2 table. See here. 2 1 2, 2 2 4, 2 3 6, 2 4 8, 2 5 10, 2 6 12. Then you can write 6. Where is 6 here? Match it. Did you understand? Now next, wait. Now next 16 beta. 16 half means 16 is divided by 2. Then you can read 2 table. See, 2 1 2, 2 2 4, 2 3 6. Now see here, 16 half means 16 is divided by 2. Then you can read 2 table. 2 1 2, 2 2 4, 2 3 6, 2 4 8, 2 5 10, 2 6 12, 2 7 14, 2 8 16. Then you can write 8. So where is 8? This is 8 now, match. Okay? Now next 10. 10 halves. 10 halves means 10 is divided by 2. Then again read 2 table. 2 table 8. Wait. 2 1 2, 2 2 4, 2 3 6, 2 4 8, 2 5 10. So then you can write 5. So where is 5? Here. Match. Okay, next see here, 4 halves means 4 is divided by 2. Then you can read 2 table. 2 1 2, 2 2 4. Then you can write here 2. So 2 2 4.
20 minutes aindi.
Okay. Now next we have to take 8. 8 is divided by 2. 8 halves. Then you can read 2 1 2, 2 2 4, 2 3 6, 2 4 8. Then you can write 4. So 8 halves you can get 4. Next 18. 18 halves means 18 is divided by 2. Then you can read 2 table. 2 1 2, 2 2 4, 2 3 6, 2 4 8, 2 5 10, 2 6 12, 2 7 14, 2 8 16, 2 9 18. 2 is goes 9 times. Means then you can write here 9. Where is 9? Here. Okay, beta, today your class is completed. Thank you.